Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, we are going to go and be talking about how to buy Deepseek on Binance. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official deepseek.com website right here if you have not already. Here we can get started with doing everything we need with Deepseek. So you can click start now to go ahead and register for an account if you do not already have one. If you have one, login, we can get started using it and so on. So guys, once you're familiar with Deepseek and you want to invest into it, you can get started with buying. But guys, for now, it's not possible to buy Deepseek anywhere. As you can see right here on Binance.com, we can take a look at the Deepseek AI price. And as you can see, currently it's not listed. So guys, you can not buy Deepseek either in stocks or shares because it's not a public company. You cannot buy it on Binance. So don't fall for any scams that are going on because those are not official Deepseek tokens. So what you want to do is follow this page right here to take a look when Deepseek is actually going to be listed if they ever create a token for themselves. What you can do is also follow the markets right here. So as you can see at the top of the screen, you have your markets tab. So you can click on markets right here and get started with listing all the markets and looking all the tokens that are listed. So if Deepseek ever is listed and you can buy it, you'll be able to find it right here. But for now, it's not possible. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.